Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to your mathematics classroom. I am Lawal Adetunji, your mathematics tutor. To our returning viewers, welcome back to your classroom. To our new viewers, please do to press the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. On our Facebook and TikTok, please press your follow button. Like, share, and put your comment in the comment box, as we have all know that in the mathematics class like this, we bring out our books and we work and do things together. So in today's GC class 2025 mathematics possible questions, here we have the question on our board to discuss in this video, and it says if 9 exponential 1 minus x equals to 27 exponential y and x plus y equals to negative 1.5, find the value of x plus y. For us to see this type of question, especially having two unknowns, you need to know that this situation will take us to what we call simultaneous equation. So here we start. First, we need to check the equation. The first equation, we are seeing 9 exponential 1 minus x equals to 27 exponential y. So let's first simplify that one before we put everything together. So I'll write solution here. So we have 9 exponential 1 minus x equals 27y. Now, if you check very well, this is indices, right? But looking at this very well, this is 9, the base number here is 9, and the base number here is 27, which truly they are multiples, they are families in form of multiples. But unfortunately, they are not family when it comes to the issue of index until we return them to their primary number. What am I saying is that we can't have any exponential, we can't have whole number as the exponent of 9 to give us 27. Same thing, we can have exponent for 27 to give us 9. So the next will now be, what are we going to do? Can't we need to think? We need to think back. We need to think back that we can recall that we can have 3 raised to power 2 to replace 9. And likewise, we can have 3 raised to power 3 to replace 27. And from there now, we can see that they have created similar base. The next thing will now be, we should put the exponent, that is 1 minus x. And same here, we put what? We put our y that equals to. We have transformed the equation to what we can solve. As we know, in indices where you have the same base, you cancel. From there, we have 2 into bracket 1 minus x in bracket 3y. When you open your bracket, you have 2 minus 2x equals to 3y. Equation is already formed. If you like, you may rewrite in a situation whereby maybe we have a constant value separate and you have the variable on the other side. What am I saying? I will say 2 equals to 3y. When this one crosses to this side, we have plus 2x, and we can declare this one as our equation 1. That is, we have transformed indices to a simple linear equation. Now the second equation, we have x plus y equals to minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. This minus 1 whole number 1 over 2, we can turn it to what? Improper fraction, so that we have a convenient number to work with in the short run. Since I have negative there, I will just say negative 3 over 2 equals, I want it to be in this pattern as well. You know, we have x plus y, which means I can also have y plus x. Very simple. I have it like this. But something is about to happen here. There is nothing bad if I work with fraction, but let us make it simple for ourselves. I will just pick up my equation 2 here. I will just say multiply all through by 2, so that I will eliminate this denominator. So multiply all through by 2. Multiply all through by 2. That is, it shows that this place should be minus 3 equals, remember, 2 has been multiplied to y, we have 2y. Same thing, 2 has been multiplied to x, we have 2x. So now this is an equation for equation 2. So we have equation 2. Our equation 1 is 2 equals to 3y plus 2x, and equation 2 is minus 3 equals to 2y plus what? Plus 2x. I can rewrite because of this one I have here. I can say I rewrite or rearrange, anyhow you call it. I can rewrite by putting my equation 1, 2 equals 3y plus 2x, equation 1. And here I have minus 3 equals 2y plus what? Plus 2x, equation 2. Very simple. We have our question on the board giving us simultaneous equation, telling us that we have two letters to find individually. That is, which one are we now finding first? Are we finding the s first? Are we finding the y first? It depends on you. You are the one in charge, so you take charge of whatever you are doing. All right, I know some of you, our viewers, you know how to solve problems on simultaneous equation. Since you know that, you can carry on with all the methods you know that you can use. We have elimination method, we have substitution method, we have graphical method, and likewise we have trick method. Any method you prefer, you can go ahead and go and do that. Or for here, I will just use simple elimination method, because why? I have seen the family of x identifying themselves to be out of the game. So with this now, since I have x of the same thing, I'll just apply my negative sign to make the difference. So having had this now, I have something like this. So I'm subtracting equation 2 from 1, that is 2 minus minus 3. 2 minus minus 3, I'm having 5. And here I have 3 minus what? I have 3 minus 2. Having 3 minus 2, I'm having y. Here 3 minus 2, I'm having y here. And that is it. So with this, I have gotten my answer, that is my y equals to 5. I have gotten my y. Now I want to find my x. I want to find my x in a simple way. I have equation 1 available. I have equation 2 available. I can pick any one. Like I said the other time, as a candidate, as a mathematician, make sure you are the one in charge of problems. Don't let problem be in charge of you. Now that I've gotten my y, I'll just use, I can pick anyone. Let me pick equation 1. I'll just say substitute. I can write it here. Let me write it. I will say substitute. I will say substitute. Substitute for what? For y is equals to 5 in equation what? In equation 1. Since I'm picking equation 1, and what's my equation 1 say? Equation 1 said 2 equals to 3y plus 2x. And what are we seeing here? From there, wherever I see y, I replace with 5. So 2 equals to 3, open bracket 5 plus 2x. Simple mathematics, carry on. So we have 2 equals to 15 plus 2x. I can transfer the number here. 2 minus 15 equals to 2x. So 2 minus 15, I'm having what? Minus 13 equals to 2x. And from there, divide both sides by 2, which is question of x. I'm having x equals to minus 13 over 2. So that is it. Very simple. But the last thing, x plus y. That is, add this to this. X plus y becomes what? That's why that is minus 13 over 2 plus 5. You know how to do our LCM. If you like, use your simple LCM like this. You have what? Your LCM as 2. And from there, I have minus 13. 1 here, I have 2. That is plus 10. Indirectly, x plus y equals to minus 3 over 2. And x plus y equals to minus 3 over 2. And that is it. And that's how we finish the question in a simple way. There is nothing difficult there. Once you just make sure you master all the concepts you need to master. Here we have applied indices. We have also applied the simultaneous equation, collection of like terms, solve the formula altogether. Everything was applied. And that's it. Please do well to check our playlist to watch the videos that we have released concerning GCE class 2025. I'll be waiting for you in the next video. Please do well to press the subscribe button, press the like button, share, like, and put your comment in the comment box. See you in the next video. Bye.